Ciao tutti, benvenuto, welcome to our channel. Today we're going to do something different. We're going to make Italian peppers. Everybody who knows when you used to go to your nonna's house, you used to have your pasta, then the peppers, and you used to get nice fresh bread ready to go to clean it up. So it's a real simple process today. First thing you need to do, preheat your oven to at least probably 200 to 220 and just let it heat up a little bit. It takes a couple of hours to make because you've got to roast the peppers, nice fresh peppers, and then once you've roasted the peppers, then I'll show you the whole process, and we'll start by basically with good extra virgin olive oil, and we're going to put them in the pan here just to roast, and then we pop the peppers in like so. It doesn't really matter how you place them in. Scatter them around because they're going to go straight into the oven. Keep checking them every 10-20 minutes, so you need to check, so you keep turning them around so you get even colour on the peppers. It doesn't matter if they get a little bit black, because if they do, we're still going to be peeling the skin off before we put them in the bowl and make the mixture. Simple ingredients to go with it today: two cloves of garlic, fresh parsley from the garden, beautiful olive oil, white wine vinegar, sali or salt, pepper, peppy. With all this, today we're going to put it all together. We're going to make beautiful peppers, then we're going to get some fresh bread, and then we're going to see how good they are when Xavier comes in to taste them. So thank you very much. Stay tuned. We're adding more to it. And don't forget, these are going to be the most amazing peppers. Everybody that comes to my house, always, there is never any peppers left. I guarantee you, you'll be fighting over at home. It's going to be a great treat. Don't forget, hit the subscribe, like, and press the notifications so whenever our videos come up, you're the first one to see them. So, while you're waiting for the peppers to cook, subscribe and like this video and the channel. Okay, so welcome back. We're coming in to check the peppers now. So, probably been about, I reckon, half an hour at the moment. So, let's get them out and turn them around. As you can see, we've got a little bit of colour on them, but that's good. That's what we want. We want colour. Just turn them around, make sure everything's even. Then pop them back in the oven, and away we go. Well, this is getting fun. I love making peppers. Now just remember, I'm going to pull them out now. You're going to see some char grilling on them, but that just adds to the flavour of the peppers. So let's get them out of the oven and let's put some foil over the top. We're going to let them sweat out for a little bit, probably till they cool down, because you really can't peel them when they're really hot, because you'll burn your fingers. Unless you've got no feeling in your fingers, you're a lucky person. But let's get them out of the oven, let's see what they look like, and we'll do a bit of a test and put some foil on it. Look at that. We're looking good. Good colour, everything on them. So perfectly. We leave them for half hour, 45 minutes. With some foil on the top, and then they'll be beautiful. So what you do now is, once you've got the foil on it, go and have a glass of wine, a beer, relax, and don't forget today's Father's Day in Australia, so you get to be spoiled. So get the kids to go get your beer and relax. There goes the foil. And I'm no chef, alright? I'm just a cook, a dad that cooks the food that my son loves to make him happy. So we're going to leave this here for at least half an hour, 45 minutes, and then we're going to get into the process of putting it all together. So go and have a beer. Okay, so today, these peppers, I'm going to show you how to make the best Best peppers you ever made. You're never going to go to the supermarket and buy roasted peppers in a jar again. When I show you today how to put it together, it'll blow your mind, and you'll do it every time you got visitors over. So make sure at the end of this, I'm going to put the recipe up and all the ingredients you need, and like the video, and if you got any comments or you want to know how to do it all, just make sure you yell out in the comments. Don't forget, like and subscribe. It's been half an hour now, so what we're going to do is we're just going to check the peppers to see how hot they are. So I'm just going to give you a little look at the peppers. See how we've got some nice charring on them? They're cooling down beautifully. So probably in about 20 minutes we'll be peeling the peppers, doing the garlic and the parsley and adding it all together. So let's get moving. Okay, so the peppers are ready. I prepared some earlier. I've already peeled them because I'm not going to stand here and make you watch me peel every pepper. I've got one left here to do. As you can see, by letting them cool down, the skin, as you can see, just peels off beautifully, and it makes it so much easier to work with. And then we're going to add the ingredients to them, and once we finish this off, we will move to the next section, which is putting the salad together. And it's just a pepper salad, and it's the most delicious thing. And like I said, you will never buy it from the shop again. You'll never waste your money, because the peppers I show you how to do, they're the best. And I guarantee you always have peppers this way. It's a bit of work, but the work pays off because they're absolutely delicious. So now we've got the peppers in here, in the beautiful bowl. Nice, half a bowl. We add the garlic in. I love garlic. Garlic's beautiful. Alright, plenty of garlic, plenty of parsley. It's all fresh ingredients. Right. We give it a good toss around before we put the oil and the vinegar and the barley and the pepper. Right. Give it a good toss. Fresh ingredients at all times. And then once you've done this and you're happy with the flavour, just let it sit for a good couple hours and let it all soak up all the juices. So we're starting to see all the colour in it now. A bit of vinegar. A bit of salt. You don't have to add pepper if you don't like pepper. You don't have to have it. Traditionally they don't have pepper, but in my house we love pepper. So we add a little bit to it. Mix it all around. And it'll start to form and look like a beautiful rustic garden salad. So, always have a little taste. Just a little bit more vinegar. Toss it again. And there we go. Put the camera so you can have a good look at it. That's what she looks like. So now, just let that sit now for a couple of hours. Get some nice fresh bread, and away you go. How the peppers looked once they're all mixed up now. It's got beautiful flavour. Not too much vinegar, not too much oil. You can't taste it. Just enough salt and pepper. So it's a really smooth on the thing. Now for the big taste test, we're going to bring Xavier in. He's the pepper king. Look forward to seeing his reaction when he gets to have the peppers, because Xavier lives for them. Okay everybody, so now we're going to come to the final taste test. Now I brought my son in, Xavier. What a good looking rooster he is, alright? Hope he doesn't fall far from the tree. Now, he's the master, but if he tells me these peppers are good, right, then they're good.
Okay.
Okay? And here we go, Xavier.
Yep.
What do you think, mate? Good?
Really, really good.
Well, there you go. If Xavier said they're good, they're good. Now you will never ever buy them from the supermarket again. These are the best. Stay beautiful. Don't forget, subscribe to the channel. And don't forget, you'll see this good looking rooster in a few of the videos in Italy. Say hi, say bye everybody. Thank you.
Bye.